Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to create Pinterest rich pins. So for this, first of all, go to your Pinterest app and log in with your account. Now here in profile sections, click on pins and here click on this plus icon to create a new pin. Click on pin and here just choose a pictures that you want to add. Okay, so I want to add this picture here and click on next. Now here you can add a title, like if you want to create it as a rich pin, just simply type it, add a description here, anything that you want to add, and then where you want to add this pin in board, you can choose it. I want to add this in VN. Okay, you can add a tag topic here, so simply write rich pin, or you can add it to money, or you can add it to billionaire lifestyle. I will go with this one and I will go with this one. Click on done. Okay, now click on create. So now the pin is created. In this way, you can create a rich pin on Pinterest. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.